But not all was lost. Enki, ever the protector of his creation, defied Enlil's orders and warned the human names of Sudra, known as Noah in later traditions, to build an ark and save a remnant of humanity. When the floodwaters receded, the survivors emerged into a world forever changed. A world where the Anunnaki's direct rule would begin to wane.
As the epochs passed, the Anunnaki, having fulfilled their mission, began to withdraw from Earth. Their reasons for leaving remain shrouded in mystery, whispered in ancient texts and modern theories alike. Did they complete their work and return to Nibiru, or did they simply grow weary of their earthly dominion?